Tenant advocates were on the steps of City Hall before a city council hearing on a bill that would expand New York City's landmark right to counsel law approved in 2017, the first of its kind in the U.S. that allows tenants in disputes with their landlord the right to have a lawyer provided for them in housing court.
When they go into housing court, they are armed with a lawyer. It provides stability. They are, not evicted. They save their homes. They are remaining in their homes. They're not forced into the shelter system. They don't become homeless.
Called Right to Counsel 2.0 or Intro 1105 and 1529, sponsored by City Council members Vanessa Gibson and Mark Levine, the legislation looks to expand the current law, now adopted in San Francisco, Newark, and Cleveland, to see more tenants eligible by expanding the current cutoff for households at 200% below the federal poverty line, which amounts to about $50,000 for a family of four, to 400% below the poverty line.
We know the disproportionate impact this has on immigrant families, on communities of color, LGBT New Yorkers, seniors, and residents of public housing.
We didn't have any gas from April to August.
72-year-old Elizabeth Thompson, who lives in the Kingsbridge section and has lived in the Bronx her whole life, says she would stand to win should the bill be passed.
Every step I take, I'm not qualified because I'm making a little too much money.
With 11,000 Bronx families evicted from their homes in 2012, Gibson says the good news is there's been a reduction since by 15%, and with this bill it could have an even greater impact.
We believe hundreds of tenants will be covered under the expansion, but we also want to make sure we focus on organizing, and we want to cover appeal cases.
The bill needs the approval of the committees before going to the full council for a vote. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.